Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be learning about controlling thrips in your garden using organic methods. So I had recently asked you all on what topic I should cover, and most of you overwhelmingly answered pest control. So this pest control video will be focused on a very difficult garden pest, the thrips. Why is it difficult, you may ask? First is that it is too tiny to properly control. It is almost microscopic. It causes severe damage and multiplies really fast. It has a wing-like structure, though not a very good flyer. It can still move from one plant to another with the help of wind. It hides inside the bud where pesticides cannot reach. It also is found in the soil. So there are different stages of the thrips, from the egg to the larva to the prepupa stage and the pupa, and finally the adult. Since the pupal stage mostly occurs in the soil, the pesticides have to be sprayed in the soil as well. So now let us see what are the different signs of thrip infestation. First, you will see deformed buds like this. Flowers look dry even before blooming. There are black dots on the leaves which are the fecal matter of the thrips, deformed leaves which curl up, etc. The thrips love hot, dry weather and is generally more controlled during the rainy months. So now let us look at the method I will be using to control thrips. The first method is that I will be using the blue sticky traps, which attracts thrips specifically because the color looks like a flower to the thrip and it gets lured into the trap, and this is effective only with the adult population. To control the thrips in the soil, I will be adding cinnamon solution into the soil and on the plant as well to get rid of the thrips in the soil. These methods are purely organic and must be used consistently and in tandem with each other to control thrips. So you will get these sticky traps from Amazon. So I have used this Chipku brand and you can get this for 200 something Indian rupees. It comes with these ties. Take a sturdy stick and tie it through the holes in the traps. Place the traps near the affected area. Now keep an eye on what types of insects the traps are able to catch. The thrips are tiny, so you might see a very small yellow speck on the blue trap. They most probably will be thrips. Simultaneously, you can shake the affected plant to dislodge the pests, since they do not have a very good grip of the plant. So the thrips have these filer type mouth parts that rub against the plant parts, and the thrips feed on the liquid that oozes out of the wound. This makes them a formidable pest in the garden. The next method is to get cinnamon sticks like this and grind it to a powdery consistency and add it in water. Apply it to the soil and drench the whole plant from head to toe with this. The thrips cannot stand the pungent smell of the cinnamon, and the cinnamon also has antifungal properties. Alternately, you can also use neem oil pesticide, the link of which will be attached above, 3 times a week to control the spread of the pest. Remember, the thrips can also attack your orchids, so be very careful. Also, to prevent this from happening, check your new plants that you get from the garden center for thrips and change the soil if you see signs of infestation. Like they say, prevention is always better than cure. And remember, it is better for the plants and for yourself to go organic than use chemicals that could be harmful for you, the plants, and the beneficial insects in your garden. But if this cannot be controlled this way, I would have to resort to chemicals. I really hope that day doesn't come and these annoying little pests go take a hike. With this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. I hope you've enjoyed the show. If you liked this, then please like, share and subscribe. Your subscriptions and likes invigorates me to make more such videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.